Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Berani Belajar bersama aku, Sukri. Nah, kali ini kita udah masuk ke unit 6 ya, udah melewati 5 unit sebelumnya. Kita udah bahas present continuous, present simple, kemudian ada past simple, past simple, udah kita pelajari. Terus ada kemarin comparison dari continuous sama yang present ya. Nah, kali ini kita masuk yang past continuous. Nah, oke. Jadi past continuous penggunaannya, contohnya I was doing. Jadi kita langsung aja ke contoh example, contoh situasinya. Coba kita baca dulu ya. Yesterday, Karen and Joe played tennis. They started at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. So, at 10:30, they were playing tennis. Oke, jadi kemarin Karen dan Joe bermain tenis. Mereka mulai jam 10 dan selesai 11:30. So, pada jam 10:30 mereka sedang bermain tenis. Nah, kegiatan itu adalah kemarin. Yesterday, it means dia udah selesai, maka pakai simple past. Ini juga. Nah, tapi ketika dia bilang 10:30 pada rentang dia bermain itu memang sedang bermain, biarpun sudah lampau. Itu dia penggunaan past continuous, past lampau continuous berlangsung gitu ya. Oke. They were playing. They were in the middle of playing, but they had not finished. Oke. Nah, jadi penggunaannya adalah was or were plus ing. Verb ing is the past continuous. Itu dia ininya ya. Formula. Nah, dia kalau he, she, it pakai was, we, you, they pakai were. Sama I sih sebenarnya. Oke. Misalnya he was playing, you were doing, you were playing, you were working. Oke, betul ya. Langsung kita ke be. I was doing something. Itu equal I was in the middle of doing it at the certain time. The action or situation started before this time, but had not finished. Oke, I was doing something. Aku melakukan sesuatu pada waktu tertentu, dan kegiatan atau situasi itu mulai before this time. Mulai sebelum jam ini, berarti sebelum jam ini, dan tapi dia belum selesai. Coba kita lihat ke ini. Ilustrasi ya. Ini now. Ini sekarang. Ini kita berada nih. Kita ngomong sekarang now. Nah, oke. Kemudian kalau kita ngomong now, ini past. I finished doing. Oke. Ini past. I started doing. Nah, ketika ngomong kita di bagian I started sama I finished, biarpun dia di past, nah sini I was doing dia. Di rentang inilah mereka nih. Nah, begitu tadi kalau misalnya dia contohnya main tenis ya jam 10:30, berarti mulai finishnya 11:30. Kalau jadi kalau jam 10 mereka mulai, jam 11:30 selesai. Jam 10:30 kan lagi main tuh tadi. Nah, contohnya this time last year I was living in Hong Kong. Pada waktu ini tahun lalu aku tinggal di Hong Kong. What were you doing at 10 o'clock last night? Jadi apa yang kau lakukan jam 10 tadi malam? Berarti kan sedang kau lakukan apa gitu ya. Kemudian yang ketiga, I waved to Helen but she wasn't looking. Aku melambai pada Helen tapi dia nggak melihatku gitu. She wasn't looking. Waktu kita wave sama si Helen itu, nah tapi dia nggak ngelihat, pada saat itu dia nggak ngelihat gitu. Nah, ini kemudian kita see. Compare I was doing past continuous and I did past simple. Ya, karena sama-sama udah berada di masa lampau ya, tapi kayak mana sih membedakannya gitu ya. I was doing in the middle of an action, I did complete action. Ini ya, in the middle of an action. Biarpun dia ini ya pada dua-duanya pada masa lampau ya. Contohnya, We were walking home when I met Dan. Kita sedang lagi jalan tuh. Kita sedang jalan ke rumah ketika kita bertemu Dan. Kemudian, Kate was watching TV when we arrived. Si Kate ini lagi nonton TV saat kita sampai. Kan lagi ya. Nah, tapi coba contoh yang I did ini, yang si past simple ya. We walked home after the party last night. Nah, jadi kita udah completely selesai, all the way-nya udah kelar gitu ya. Kenapa biasanya kalau kita pakai past continuous ini ada ininya when. Nah, itu menandakan pada saat kondisi tertentu gitu ya. Kate watched TV a lot when she was ill last year. Biarpun nggak menutup kemungkinan ini juga pakai when ya, tapi biasanya kalau udah ada when itu biasanya kita pakai past continuous, tapi kebetulan coba kita tinjau ya kalimatnya. Kate watched TV a lot. Si Kate ini nonton TV sering nonton TV when she was ill last year, ketika dia sedang sakit tahun lalu. Nah, jadi dia ini diceritakan dia sakit tahun lalu, dia banyak nonton TV dan udah selesai. Jadi nggak dibilang misalnya pada rentang kapan dia misalnya banyak nonton TV-nya, seperti itu ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke yang di penjelasannya. You can say what something happened pada past simple past in the middle of something else, past continuous. Jadi ini mixing mereka ya, combine-nya ya. Matt phone while we were having dinner. Si Matt ini menelpon saat kita sedang makan malam nih. Nah, bisa ya digabung karena sebenarnya mereka itu mirip ya, udah sama-sama di masa lampau, tapi si Matt phone ini ya udah selesai kegiatan itu pada saat kita sedang makan gitu ya. Kita menceritakannya gitu ya. It was raining when I got up. Itu sedang hujan ketika aku bangun. Aku bangun kan aku udah selesai kan kegiatannya. Oke. Ini juga udah. Ini yang ketiga, I saw you in the park yesterday. You were sitting on the grass and reading a book. I saw you itu udah selesai. Tapi pada saat kita melihat itu, dia sedang duduk di rumput dan membaca buku, sebuah buku. Nah, kayak seperti itu. Oke, next. I hurt my back while I was working in the garden. I hurt, udah kelar. Nah, ketika ngapain? I was working in the garden. Nah. Oke kan? Misalnya, kita contohnya, misalnya, I lost my phone when I'm going to misalnya when I am walking to school, contohnya seperti when I was working walking, sorry guys ya. Jadi aku tuliskan aja, bisa contoh ya, aku bikin contoh sendiri ya. I lost my phone when I was walking to school. Nah, oke. Tapi kita lanjutkan ya. But we use past simple to say that one thing that happened after another. Coba, kita menggunakan past simple untuk mengatakan sesuatu terjadi sebelum one thing happened after another, setelah sesuatu terjadi. Oke. I was walking along the road when I saw Dan. So I stopped it and we talked for a while. Oke, kita menggunakan simple to say after another. Aku sedang berjalan pada saat ketika aku melihat Dan. Jadi aku berhenti dan kita ngobrol sementara waktu gitu ya. Jadi dia menceritakan atau dia to say that one thing happen after another. Oke. Kita compare nih. Compare. Enak nih compare nih. When Karen arrived, we were having dinner. We had already started before she arrived. We had already started before she arrived. Okay. When Karen arrived, we had dinner. When Karen arrived, we had dinner. Karen arrived, then we had dinner. Jadi pada saat si Karen sampai, kita sudah mulai makan malam. Nah, ketika yang contoh ini, ketika dia sampai, kita belum mulai. Nah, karena kita belum mulai, kita makan bareng tuh. Jadi kita mulai bareng-bareng gitu. Some verb, for example, now and want are not normally used in continuous. Nah, ini ada. Jadi knowing, wanting itu susah, nggak dipakai. Is ing dan was ing itu nggak dipakai. Jadi kita bisa lihat unit 4 yang kemarin yang udah ada kayak liking, understanding itu nggak dipakai kan. Nah, begitu juga untuk di past continuousnya ya. We were good friends. We knew each other well. Not we are knowing. Okay. I was enjoying the party. But Chris want to go home. Okay. Oke. Ini kita sampai ke bagian exercise. Udah selesai tadi materi, kita ke exercise ya guys ya. Nah, jadi ada 6.1 ini kita ada kita diberikan udah ada kata kerjanya, ada sentence-nya, kemudian memasukkan aja ya contohnya. Contoh nomor 1 dulu. Today Helen is wearing a skirt. Yesterday she was wearing trousers. Oke. Pakai rok. Dia hari ini pakai rok. Kemarin dia was wearing trousers. Oke. What did he say? Apa yang dia katakan? Dia lampau ya. What did he say? I don't know. Pada saat ini berarti I don't know. Aku nggak tahu mana yang paling cocok ya. Nah, inilah aku nggak mendengarkan. I wasn't. Pada saat itu nggak didengarkannya. Nah, tadi dia ada kelar kita. We at the back of the theater. Okay. We couldn't hear very well. Kita nggak bisa dengarkan. Berarti dia ngapain di teater itu di belakang, sitting berarti ya. We were sitting. Ini kayak nggak ada diubah-ubah sih, tinggal milih aja sih. This time last year, Steve was working berarti. Okay. They didn't see me. Dia nggak melihatku, mereka. Ini weren't looking berarti yang nggak ngelihat ke arahku. Weren't looking. The weather was bad. It was very cold and it was snowing. Pasti ya kan? It was snowing dan saat itu bersalju. Okay. I saw you in your car. Where were you going? Going. Okay, selesai. Nomor 8. Number 8. I saw Kate a few minutes ago. She's looking for you. She was looking for you. She was looking for you. Oke, kelar ya. 6.1. 6.2. Which goes with which? Yang mana yang cocok gitu ya. Yang sesuai gitu. Contohnya nih, when I got to the cafe, my friends were waiting for me. Okay. We fall asleep. Satu F udah. We fall asleep. Kami tidur pada saat inilah while we were watching film kan ya. Iya. Kemudian Amy learn Italian. Ami belajar Italian. When she was living in Rome, she was working ini when you ini. Inilah while she was living in Rome ya. Okay. Tom didn't come out with us. Ini udah ya. She was working enggak. When I was enggak. While we were watching because he wasn't feeling well. Tom nggak ikut bersama kita because he wasn't feeling well nih lah. Karena dia nggak sehat gitu ya. The car began to make a strange noise. When I was driving home lah ya, berarti paling cocok ya. Kemudian the TV was on, but nobody was watching it. D. Berarti yang terakhir C ya. Was driving home udah. She was walking in clothes shop lah ini berarti. Ini B berarti. Oke, sorry ya. Ini B. Nah, ini 6.3. Udah. I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she weren't kayaknya nggak cocok sih kalau were ya. I saw Sue but she paling cocok kayaknya pakai didn't see me. Kalau nggak pakai seeing ya enggak sih. Nah ini baru she was looking. Nah karena looking bisa ya, seeing nggak bisa ya sih. She looking the other way. Oke. Number yang kedua, kalau cycle ntar kok I'm cycle ya berarti I was cycling home yesterday. Aku naik sepeda pulang kemarin. When a man step out into the road in front of me. Step lah berarti bentuk keduanya aja kan. In front of me. Pada saat itu berarti I was going quite fast, but luckily I managed to stop in time, and I didn't hit him. Sekarang ingat kata yang habis I was cycling itu kan yang menjelaskannya pakai ini, pakai simple past. Nih I was going dijelaskan sama si simple past semua. Nah, ini 2 buat teman-teman ya. Oke. Jenny was waiting for me when I arrived. What were you doing? What were you doing at this time yesterday? I was asleep. Aku tidur. Last night. Did you go lah berarti ya? Did you go out last night? No, I was too tired. How fast? Oh, berarti ini sedang berlangsung. How fast were you driving when the accident happened? Okay. Number 5, Sam. Take a picture of me while. Dia sedang berlangsung ya kan? Sam took ya berarti ya. Kok dari take ya? Took a picture of me while I wasn't looking. We were in a very difficult position. Kita sedang berada di posisi yang sulit. We were nggak mungkin we were ya. We were in very difficult. We didn't know how to do so. So we were doing nothing. Sebentar ya, aku agak bingung. Kok nggak mungkin lah. Paling cocok ya pakai so we did nothing lah ya kan. Nah, I haven't seen Alan for age. When I last saw him, he was trying to find a job. Okay, number 8. I walk along the street. Kalau I walk bisa nggak ya? Coba kita cek dulu. I walk along the street when suddenly I heard. Enggak. Ini harus pakai continuous yang sini. I was walking, baru dijelaskan sama simple past. Walking and suddenly I heard something behind me. Okay, somebody. Nah, ulang lagi. Was following me. I was scared and I started to run. Oke, ini aja pembahasan kali ini ya. Kayaknya agak cukup sulit ya. Bukan sulit sih, kayak mungkin boleh diulang-ulang deh unit sebelumnya biar lebih kebayang. Aku juga bakal nonton juga sih sebenarnya. Ya, terima kasih atas perhatiannya teman-teman semua. Goodbye, thanks.